In this video, I am going to show you how to fix bad quality TikTok uploads. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm on TikTok right now. And if in your case, you're seeing that all your posts, your uploads on your TikTok account, your videos have low quality, the first thing I recommend is you need to check if you're uploading those videos directly from TikTok or from your phone camera. Because as you can see, when we click the pause icon, as we can see, you can already use your camera here and take your photos or videos. But I recommend that you upload your videos or photos through your phone's camera, and upload it from your phone's gallery. So as you can see, look, when I use my camera, it has more quality. I can adjust the quality. So as you can see, I can adjust to Ultra HD and 60 FPS. And if I focus it, it has more and better quality than the camera on TikTok. So that's what I can recommend you to do when you post your uploads on TikTok. Just make sure that you take your photos or videos from your phone camera and save it to your phone, to your gallery, and you want to upload it on TikTok by uploading it here in this page. As you can see at the right part, you can have the upload option here where you can upload your phone's pictures. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.